Okay, a little update. So, pulled more stuff off. Got the coolant all drained out and the radiator and the air conditioner parts mostly removed. So I'll have to remove the compressor. I did get the alternator and the power steering pump off, and it is messy in there. So clearly a power steering leak back there, and probably a little oil leak there, and a little coolant leak there. All the fluids leaking, but it is an old car. So next up, I think I'm going to pull off the intake manifold because I'm actually going to pull the injectors out and either clean them or probably just replace them. I'm not sure. And I'll probably replace the fuel rails because this is still the factory fuel rails, which are kind of annoying to work with. So I'll do a few small tweaks there, and then we'll get the timing cover off and get some new parts for replacing the timing belt and the water pump and all the associated stuff that goes with that. So we are making progress.